proceeding. Let me check the delay. That's okay. Okay, let's start. This is our first question where it says that choose the correct answer to the question from the given option. Last time we did this one also. So here a figure is given and you have to check that which option is most suitable for this one. Let's see. Follow the same process. Question number, then your option. If needed, after that you can give your explanation. But first of all, you have to give question number and then option. So we got the answer. This time the first answer again given by Jadev. 1C, abstraction. Last time maximum student did a mistake on this. This is abstraction. Everyone is saying abstraction. Abstraction. Good. Everybody's answer this time is correct. Yes. Yes, right. Yes, correct explanation is given by Subramsu. In ATM, the background details of the user are hidden for security purpose. Therefore, we can say it refers to the data abstraction. It hides the inner implementation, how exactly the money is counted, how exactly the money is coming out of it, how it verifies your username and password, your PIN. Everything is hidden from you. That's why abstraction is the correct answer. Next question. Sir, voice is low. Okay, let me come a little bit closer. Sanchit. Okay. My voice is audible to all of you clearly. It is mandatory to use else statement in else if statement, and maximum students are saying it is false. One candidate is time and again Sanchit is saying not now audible. Acha, theek hai. Your voice is audible. Somebody is saying. Arnav is saying it is audible. Okay. The correct answer is false. It is not mandated to use else in each case because we have simple if also. So that's why the else is not mandatory. Java interpreter converts the source code to bytecode. Those who are not giving the option number, kindly give the question number. Deepali, Pradhan, give the question number. It depends on the question and the user, the how it should be declared for the program, how it should be used in the program. True false, अब जाके गलती हो रहा है आपसे. Somebody is saying true, somebody is saying false. Why such differences coming? Somebody is saying true, somebody. Java interpreter convert source code into bytecode. Okay, fine. Roshni, what will be the correct option? Answer if you think it is false. अरे लोअर केस में क्यों होगा अर्नव? अर्नब ये ट्रू एंड फॉल्स है, बुलियन नहीं है अर्नब, इट इज नॉट बुलियन बेटा, इट इज ऑप्शंस आंसर ट्रू और फॉल्स. Java compiler converts source code into byte code. Yes, obviously, but I am confused that why Roshni I think given false. Java interpreter, Java compiler converts the source code to byte code, and Java interpreter converts byte code to executable code. Is it clear? Acha, you have not said that one. Acha, you are saying question number 2, Arnab. Question number 2 is true. Because the compiler converts the source code into byte code and the interpreter converts the byte code to the machine code. The statement of the image is technically false. May I know your name? Who is this candidate? Jerry 99. May I know your original name? Okay, everybody do one thing. I just have to keep a track of your correct answers. So send me your name and the class. Send me your name and class so that I can keep a track of how many student has given the correct answer. But I just want to know who is this Jerry 99, given perfect and correct explanation. Solid explanation is given. It is false. It is done by the compiler. Kindly send your name, who has joined with an ID. My name is Rex. Achha, I don't know who is this Rex, but nice explanation given by you. Which class? 9th or 10th? Rex, 9th or 10th? It's a compiler, but interpreter converts from the byte code to the machine code. That's why Java is platform independent. Okay, let's move to the next question. Let's move to the next question. Pure arithmetic expression is also called mixed mode expression. True or false? I'm Manushka class. Class 10th. Question number 4, false. If it is false, then what will be the correct one? Quickly, if it is false, then what will be the correct one? What is called pure arithmetic expression? Or we can say pure arithmetic expression is also known as. Impure expressions are also called mixed expression, not pure expression. Okay, very good. Impure arithmetic expressions called mixed mode expression. So it is false, because these two terms describe opposite scenarios. A pure expression cannot be called a mixed mode expression. Okay. Okay, let me ask you one more question. This is correct one from given by you people of. What is pure expression? What is pure expression? Yes, impure arithmetic expressions are also called mixed expression. What is pure expression? Next question arises. What is pure expression? Pure expression consists of same constant. Is it constant? Expression is only dealing with the constant. Uh, the expression in which all of its operands are of same data type is called pure expression, or in one where the type conversion is not required. Excellent, Subhranshu. Pure expression is an expression which contains same type of variables. Arnav, is it only dealing with variables? Arnav, pure arithmetic expression is also called mixed mode expression. Mixed mode arithmetic expression, not pure expression. Impure arithmetic expression is called mixed mode expression. An expression of same data type. Yes, it is possible. An expression having the value. Pure expression consists of operand of same type. Very good, Anushka. Pure expression is one where all the components belongs to the same data type. Very good. Everybody has given the correct answer. Next one. Very good. Good explanation. Pure expression which name where all the expression operands have the same data type. Ayushman Chaudhary, the expression in which all the operands are of the same data type. Yes, correct. Everybody has given correct answer. Next question. Implicit type conversion is also called DAS. Implicit type conversion is also called DAS. But in your answer, Arnav, you have only specified the variable. That's why I have raised the question. First answer given as correlation. Yes, correct answer. Yes, very good. Nice going this time. Last time initially you did mistake, in between you did, at the end you did well. Constant belongs to the same data type. Anvesha Mahapatra, very good. It is also called automatic type conversion. No, it is wrong. Next, explicit type conversion is also called typecasting. Question number दो बेटा. Some students are not giving question number, so it generates confusion. Which answer you are giving? Typecasting. Very good. Correct answer. Move towards the next question. The default delimiter used in a scanner class is. What is the default delimiter that you are using in scanner class? Question number 7. The implicit type conversion is also called typecasting. Yes, I have just moved towards the next question. Question number 7. What do you mean by star mark is coming over here? Asterisk. No, it's not asterisk. It's not asterisk, it's white space. Yes. Given correct answer. White space. Not star. When we are typing something in the keyboard, so how it is comes to know that a particular value is entered with the help of your space as a delimiter, not asterisk. We are not entering asterisk. Acha, you need an example. Okay, let me show you an example. Suppose we are writing, just hold on for a moment. Somebody is calling. Hold on. Scanner access is equal to scanner is required. ठीक है. New scanner is required over here. System.in intx is equal to ss.next int. But don't try to use this in your board examination. The mechanism I am showing you to show you the example. Don't try this in your examination, because it is available. This mechanism of entering the data is available for the higher class, not for your 10th class. Okay, so let's execute this. In the screen I am entering 10 with space 20. Look at this, we got the answer 10 and 20. So from this space delimiter it comes to know that one data is entered. Is it clear? Everyone is clear or need any extra explanation? We can give anything over here. So the sequence is integer, float, character. The sequence needs to be maintained. Integer, float and character. I did a mistake over here while entering the data. Sir, please explain again. Let me show over here ch. So here what exactly it happens, let me give a message so that you can understand. System.out.print enter a number, comma, float and a character. Okay, let's execute this. Enter a number. I am entering 10. I am giving a space as a delimiter. Can you see space I have given? 10, 2.6 for double and an alphabet called R. Now when I am displaying, look at this, we got the answer. It is storing the data respectively. So how it is accepting the data? How it comes to know? I have given all the data in a single line. It identifies with the help of this delimiter. We can see the space is a delimiter. While entering the data, I have given space. Hope everybody has understood. In higher class, you will get little bit more detail regarding this. But in 10th class, don't do any practical like this. In higher class, we can do the practical like this. Every question that is coming in computer science is having a background associated with it. ये कोई फॉर्मूला रूल्स नहीं होता है, उसके पीछे कोई कारण होता है जिसकी वजह से ये लिखा जाता है. वेरी गुड, you have shown your interest to know how exactly it is working. That is a good sign of a good student. Let's come back. So that's why I said that whatever you are having doubt, feel free to ask when I'm in front of computer. Okay. No, in 11th class we can use. Arnav, in 11th we can use. Because there we will have string buffer, string tokenizer. Tokens will come over there. String tokenizer is available in your course. Okay. Okay. Next one, question number 8. Wind up. We are in 10th class. We'll emphasize on the board examination. More things you want to learn, I will tell you later on. Emphasize on your board examination now. This logical operator is a unary operator. NOT not we cannot write. Operator symbol has to be given. Arushi. Operator symbol is required. Correct answer. This is not operator. Very good. Not operator. Good. Move to the next one. I'm ready with the next question. Assertion reason question. I'm ready with the assertion reason question. Quick beta, it is 8:56. Only we have covered 9. Today you told merge pattern needs to be discussed. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion, irrespective of the objects. Reason, static variables are not associated with object. Okay. 9a. Reason are true. Very good. Jadev says the assertion is false. Jadev, justify your answer. Why you say assertion is false? D means assertion is false. Jadev, justify your answer. Why you said D is false? Quickly, Jadev. Just tell me why you said. So I didn't get the assertion part. Assertion part says that static variable holds same value irrespective of the object. Whatever may be the object. Assume that I am having two objects. For each object we have different values for the instance variable, but static variables are belongs to class. So whatever object you will create, for every object, the value will be okay. So let me show you. Would you like to see it in a practically? Any one of you wants to see practically, or will skip this one? Quickly give me your example. Would you like to see practically, or will move with this explanation? Later on I can tell you. या फिर अभी explanation चाहिए? बाद में I can show you. If you want now, I can show you also. Because static variables are belongs to class, hence its value is same for all the objects. सारे object के लिए value same रहेगा. But for non-static variable, every object will have a separate copy. सबका एक एक अलग अलग value रहेगा. Okay. Yes sir. Practically you want to see. Fine. Let me change the screen. Okay. Now I'm taking two variables. Int a is a non-static variable, and I'm taking int static int b, which is a static variable. Okay. Here I'm taking a constructor inside which I'm increasing the value of a, as well as I'm increasing the value of b. I'm creating two objects of this class. p1 is equal to new. आई थिंक जयदेव एक बार लाइव क्लास में दिखाया गया था इसका थोड़ा ये करके एनिमेशन करके दिखाया गया था. आई थिंक यू वाज नॉट देयर इन दैट पर्टिकुलर क्लास. एक एनिमेशन करके दिखाया गया था. स्टैटिक वेरिएबल, इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल, लोकल वेरिएबल, ये सब करके दिखाया गया था. ओके, आई एम यूजिंग ए फंक्शन कॉल्ड शो वर्ड शो static variable. First I am displaying, that is a. नॉन दिखा रहा हूं, टाइम नहीं होगा बोल के. दैट इज नॉन स्टैटिक. नॉन स्टैटिक उल्टा कर दिया मैंने. स्टैटिक इज बी and non-static is a. Okay, I don't need to call this constructor, as we know that constructor is invoked automatically when an object is created. I am increasing the value of both the variables over here. I am calling p1 dot show and p2 dot show. Look at this, static is 2, print ln मार देते हैं यहाँ पे. Static is 2, static is 2, but non-static is 1. Non-static is 1. For every object, for p1 it has given a, whose default value, because it is a default constructor, so it will assign 0. I can show you the memory with an animation that for p1 it has given a, and for p2 animation तो नहीं हो सकता यहाँ पे. For p2 it has given separate copy a, but b is belongs to class. Hence, when this object is created, memory is allocated like this, because non-static variables are belongs to object. For each object a separate copy is given. Static variable belongs to class. Hence, a single copy is given to all the objects. Initially all are 0 because of the default constructor. This one is also 0, but when this constructor is called, it is increasing the value of a. For which object? For p1. So hence p1 is becomes 1, but b को भी इंक्रीज कर रहा है, तो b का वैल्यू क्या हो गया आपका? अभी 1 हो गया. Next, I am creating one more object called p2, where p2 again it will call the constructor, which will increase the value of a. Now for which object? p2. Hence p2 का वैल्यू हो गया 1. Again it is increasing the value of b, but same copy is maintained over here, so this will become 2. Hence, when I am displaying, I am getting this output. Non-static is 1, non-static is 1 for both the object. For static it is 2 and 2. It is 2 for both the objects p1 and p2. Hope everybody has understood. It is most important in your higher class, especially 11th and 12th. Especially 11th and 12th, this kind of example matters a lot. Okay, hope everybody has understood. So that's why I said that abhi this is not the right time to see all these things. रेगुलर क्लासेस होना चाहिए, लाइव क्लास रेगुलर क्लासेस होना चाहिए टू गिव अ गेट अ डेप्थ ऑन दिस. दोस्त काली काली मु कॉल करी क्लास सब पर कॉल करी आज ही क्लास सब कॉल करी दोस्त. हां ओके गुड नाइट. So can we move now? Next part. Consider the main method given below and answer the following questions. Main method को concentrate करो और ध्यान दो क्वेश्चन के ऊपर. What the question is asking. So let's move to the question. First one. What is the class name? What is the class name? Forgetting to give the question number. Madan S capital. Madan S capital. Yes, correct answer, because here the class name is given sample, object name is S, and here this part indicates your class name. Next one. What type of class, what type of constructor the class is having? Type of constructor. What type of constructor? Parameterized constructor. Good. This part indicates you as an parameterized constructor. Very good. Parameterized constructor. Next one. Name the method defined in the class. Because while object creation parameter are being taken. Very good, Jaydev. आज थोड़ा कम क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन हुआ है. What is the time? 9:08. Show function. Good. The function name is, so here it shows object name dot method name. So this is the method name it is using. Name the type of parameter the method receives. Name the type of parameter the method receives. What type of parameter the method is receiving? Long. How you came to know it is long? This correct answer. But who can tell me how you came to know it is long? Because of this successor available over here, it indicates it is of long type, not integer type. So today also my class is working in a 1 minute delay. You have said the time is 9:08, but here 9:09 at that time. अच्छा 1 minute डिले चल रहा है, ठीक है। मुझे थोड़ा डिले रेट को कम करवाना है नेक्स्ट क्लास में, ठीक है, थोड़ा डिले रेट को कम करवा देते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में। आइडेंटिफाई द इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल्स। L is given as a successor given in the parameter. Very good. Good. INT. Private, protected, public. Identify the instance variables. अच्छा ठीक है। एक जैसे छोटा सा चेंज चाहिए, छोटा सा चेंज चाहिए। DF. Subhranshu, check it again. Subhranshu, check it again. Price, not price, PRI. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले आई थिंक आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू, जस्ट फ्यू मिनट्स बिफोर आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड कौन सा आपका इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल होता है, कौन सा आपका क्लास वेरिएबल होता है, किसको हम लोग क्लास वेरिएबल बोलते हैं, किसको हम लोग इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल बोलते हैं। थोड़ा उस पर ध्यान दो बेटा। दिस इज नॉन स्टैटिक, दिस इज नॉन स्टैटिक, दिस इज नॉन स्टैटिक, this is non-static, this is non-static, and these are all variables declared inside the class, hence these are called instance variable. But this one is static, this is belongs to class, it cannot be a instance variable. Hope everybody has understood. Okay, next question. Identify the member belongs to the class, not object. Which variable belongs to class, not belongs to object? Identify the member belongs to class, not object. But one of my note I wrote that the instance variable preceded by the static is a static variable. Yes, static variable belongs to class. Hence it is a class variable. It cannot be an instance variable. Instance means an object. What is an instance of a class, Jaydev? Everybody just check what the question is saying. Vaishali, Roshni, Vaibhavi, Anvesha, Amrita. Question number 15. It is asking members. It is asking members. Sohan. Check the question. This time it is not asking about instance variable. It is asking about member. Which one is called member of a class? STB and FIB. STB and yes, correct. Because this is having preceded by keyword static, hence it belongs to which one? Obviously, it belongs to class. Here it is given. And it is talking about member. The variable and the method. This method is preceded by keyword static. Hence, this also belongs to class. Hence, both this can be called with the help of class name without creating an object. We can call both of them without creating an object. Okay, got it everyone? Why it is called STB and show? Hope everybody has understood why it is called STB. SQ क्या है बेटा? SQ तो कहीं पे है ही नहीं. SQ is local variable. SQ is local variable बेटा. SQ local variable. This neither belongs to class nor belongs to object. ये क्लास को नहीं बिलोंग करता है, ऑब्जेक्ट को भी बिलोंग्स नहीं करता है ये. Got it? It's a local variable. Identify the variable available to only superclass but not to the subclass. Public and protected. Okay. Identify variable that is available only to the superclass, not to the subclass. Derived class को available नहीं होगा. Okay, not an issue. Okay, look at this. Private, we know purely privates are belongs to the class in which it is declared. It is not going to available to its child class or any other class. And STV especially belongs to class because it is static. It is belongs to the class only. Hence, next one, identify the local variable. Identify the local variable. Which one is local variable? SQ. Check again. Everybody don't give your answer in a hurry. Again I am repeating question number 17. Check again. No, Jaydev, no, it's wrong answer. Yes, correct answer is given by Arnav. It is SQ and N. Subhranshu, correct answer. Ayushman Chaudhary, Vaisali, now it is correct answer. The formal parameter is only available to the function in which it is used. It is not available outside. Hence, it is local variable. And the variable which is declared inside a method is also known as local variable. Hence, N and SQ are the correct answer. Good. Check the next one. Check the next one. Where is N declared? Look at over here, N. Formal parameter. The variable which is declared inside a method is called local variable, and the variable which is preceded by a keyword called static is called static variable. FIV. Correct answer, because it is declared as final. Because it is final, we cannot alter, we cannot change the value of the variable. Answer was preceded by the keyword final. Very good. Correct answer. Identify the variable which is available to both super and subclass with the same package. Underlining the requirement. Same package. एक्सेस स्पेसिफायर बताते वक्त आप लोगों को कुछ हिंट दिया गया था, उसमें ये सारा आंसर छुपा हुआ है. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग. In 9th class, while teaching you the access specifier and the graph that is shown to you, from that you can identify the correct answer. But it is correct that protected is available to both base class and derived class. Public is available throughout the program. How you have forgotten this DEF? DEF, we don't have any access specifier. That means it is having default access specifier, which is package scope. Again, I am repeating, the variable which does not contain its access specifier, it is having default access specifier. It is having package scope. Got it? I am explaining, don't worry. Somebody has given, sir, I cannot answer this question. Yes, I am explaining. Protected is having derivation scope. It is available to both base class and derived class. Public is available throughout the program. Hence, it is available to both superclass and subclass. DEF is not having any access specifier. Hence, it is default access specifier. Default access specifier is having package scope. Hence, it is available to both superclass and subclass because they are available in the same package. Hope everybody has understood. Yes, Charan, got it now? Superclass and subclass. The base class is known as superclass. The base class is known as superclass, from which we are deriving a new class is called child class or subclass. So base class is also known as your superclass, and derived class is also known as your subclass. It's related to inheritance. Hope understood, Sanchit. 9th class students, you can ask more detail in the class also. याद रखो ये सारे क्वेश्चंस को, अगर उसमें थोड़ा और डिटेल चाहिए यू कैन आस्क. ओके, identify the variable which is having package scope. Which one is having package scope? बहुत सारा क्वेश्चन बाकी रह गया इस बार. Last time I couldn't able to discuss 10 questions. अभी थोड़ा ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस बाकी रह रहा है. Correct answer given by everyone DEF, because it does not have any access specifier. Hence, its access specifier is default, and default access specifier is having package scope. Next question. Present in the same package. Yes. The variable or the method or the class which is available inside a package is called package scope. Identify the variable which is available throughout the program. सबसे इजी क्वेश्चन है ना, गलत हो रहा है. Who has given this? Master of Chemistry. PRI is private. Private is available only to the class in which it is declared. It is not available outside the class. हाँ, अभी आपका करेक्ट आंसर आया. It is public. DEF नहीं हो सकता बेटा. अगर अलग पैकेज में है तो कैसे मिलेगा वो? अलग पैकेज में है तो कैसे मिलेगा? Only public is available throughout the program. Only public, not DEF. Not DEF. प्राइवेट तो कंप्लीटली नहीं मिलेगा. Available throughout the program is provided by Java style code snippet in standard file. STB क्या है? What is this STB? Identify the members which can be accessed inside the main method without creating an object of the class. I will not create an object of this class test, but still I can able to access it in the main method. अच्छा, quickly. (22) का आंसर आया STV. अच्छा, 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 got it, now got it. You are talking about this variable STV. Got it. No, think again. Now got the correct answer from Arnav and Shohan, Jaidev. Because look at this, both are static, and static variables are, and the members are belongs to class. Hence, it can be directly accessed with the help of class name. We don't need to create an object for it. We don't need to create an object for it. Okay. Identify the syntax and logical errors. First, identify the syntax error. Okay, Subhranshu is the first candidate to give this one. Okay, next one. Identify the syntax error. First one. I'm going to wind up now, beta. Make it fast as quick as possible. Uh, there is no specification about C is greater or smaller. Greater smaller than n, and fa is a local variable. That I am convinced, but I am not convinced with the first one, Jaydev, that you have given. Return fa which is of type int. Yes. Fa is a local variable, Subhranshu, correct answer. Syntax error, fa is local, good. fa is not declared. कहाँ पे बेटा? fa is declared over here. See, fa is declared. Enough. Check the question. Return fa will generate an error because the variable fa is declared inside this for loop. This local variable, and loop can execute only one statement. So it is outside the scope of the for loop. Hence it will generate an error message. Next one. आपका आंसर क्यों नहीं आया? यहाँ पे आना चाहिए. एक मिनट देख लूं, एनिमेशन में कुछ गड़बड़ है. 3, 1 मिनट बेटा. 3 ये आएगा आपका 4-5 में. ये आएगा आपका 4 में. ये आएगा आपका 5 में. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now it is okay. So the correct answer is long fa, declare before loop, because the return type is taken as long. Hence it cannot be int. Yes, very good. Correctly identified. Nice one, nice one. fa cannot be 0. fa is equal to 0 is a logical error. fa must be 1. Next, c is less than n is a logical error. The correct part of this is c less than n is a logical error. Correct part of this. Where long fa is given? Where long fa is given? It is int fa is equal to 0 is given. Return type is long is given. Hence, here it says that long fa declare before the loop. Here before the loop, declare it. This long fa. C less than n is a logical error. Less than equals to n. Very good. It should be less than is equal to n. N must be included because it is finding out the factorial of a given number, where the number also needs to be included. Next one, convert a string number 2 stored in a variable price to float. Convert the string number which is stored in a variable called price, and I want to convert it to float type. Write a statement. हाँ डिले हो रहा है बेटा. String price is equal to this much. It is saying that string number stored, it is already available, so we don't need to store it again. The Rex string price is equal to 49.99 is not required, Rex, because here it says that stored means it is already available. Price is equal to, it's not required, string price is equal to 49.9. Yes, Rex, now you got it, but still doing well. Float parse float. Float dot parse float price. Yes. So left hand side we need a float variable, and right hand side, because it is converting, we need to store it. Float is the class name, dot is the member access operator, parse float is the method, price is the variable which is specified over here, is in the form of string. Okay. So does my answer is correct? I think I have skipped your answer, Jaydev. इतना कमेंट्स आ रहा है तो कुछ स्किप हो रहा है. I will check it later on. कुछ आंसर्स स्किप हो रहा है. Don't involve in the argument in this class. Don't blame others, somebody, if it is copying or not copying. Concentrate on the topic. Concentrate on the class to learn. Acha. Okay. Another way we can write this. There is another way. There is another way to write this. What is that? Yes. Yes is the correct answer. Okay. Yes, we can use value of also. Next one. Next question. Quick button. We are getting late. Just have understood where you did the mistake. Okay. Another way is we can use value of also. Another way is that we can use value of also. As people, you have said that you are facing little bit problem in merge pattern. So I have included this one, the merge pattern, but I want to finish it as quick as possible. Number 27, can you just check it? But I will check and reply you little bit later on if you don't mind, Rex, because it is already 9:44, 9:43. So I'm getting late बेटा. और ये 4 पैटर्न है डिस्कशन करने के लिए, बस मैं एक पैटर्न डिस्कशन करके वाइंड अप कर दूंगा आज. बहुत क्लास पढ़ता है बेटा एग्जाम के टाइम में. आई एम एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी. रेक्स, आई विल चेक, आई विल गो बैक एंड चेक योर आंसर and if I will reply. Okay, let's start with this one. This is a merge pattern. How you can identify the merge pattern, from where to break it into two parts. Look at this. Here I am having 1 and in the next phase I am getting 2 2. So that means the breaking has to be done in this way. Everybody understood how I am breaking this? Okay, Jerry, otherwise you can send me in a WhatsApp. Jerry, you can WhatsApp me. I can give the answer, not an issue. Okay. So look at this, or in YouTube comment section, you remind me. I will send you the answer, Jerry. Okay, look at over here. Have you understood, everyone, how I am breaking this one? Look at this, how I am breaking this one. You have to see this pattern. Look at over here, we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are not getting anything from this to break it out. But in the next case, I am getting 2, 2. I am getting 3, 3, 3. So from that we came to know that I have to break it like this. Everybody understood? Okay. So because we have us the single logic mechanism of single logic mechanism of pattern. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. Hence, this is for number of rows. This is for left side. This is for left side. This one. This is your left side. And this one is for your right side. This one. Okay, can I move now? Understood how to break? And left part, right part of the merge pattern. Okay, yes. So, tell me one by one. What should be the initialization? What should be the initialization? If it is having number of rows, then what should be the initialization? Quickly, beta. Initialization of the outer loop. Okay, I am taking the variable r. You have taken x. Arshit, not an issue. I have taken r. Good. Why 5 beta? I have to use r. Beta, it is row based pattern. Jadev, left hand side is row based. I have to display the row value. And row value starts from 1. Basics of pattern, Jadev. Basics of pattern. This is row based. Okay. Condition. R is less than equals to 5. Good. And updation, I don't need to ask, it is R++. So I am skipping this one, R++. Now look at the inner part. First inner for loop. This is dealing with the left part, and you know the left part is row based pattern. Row based triangle pattern. Left hand side is row based triangle pattern. First inner loop for loop initialization. C is equal to 1. I am taking LE is equal to 1 by taking into consideration LE. Start. Yes. Whatever may be the variable, but its initial value must be 1. Good. Very good. Condition. LE less than is equal to R. Very good. Somebody has given less than. How it can be? Rex, how condition can be C is equal to 1? It should be LE because the variable is taken as LE. LE is less than equals to R because R is an outer loop and it is row based pattern. Okay, obviously updation. LE plus plus, good, because less than symbol is given LE plus plus. Okay, fine. Okay, fine, Jerry. Good. Second inner loop. Second inner loop is for right one, but it is not row based pattern. It is column based triangle pattern. It is column based triangle pattern. Apply column based triangle pattern logic over here. I want to display from to, and the last one is constant. Everybody can see. Apply the logic that is told to you. Follow the logic. वेरी गुड. बच्चों को वेरिएबल का भी पता चल गया. अगर सर एलई दे रहे हैं तो ये होगा उसका डिस्प्ले स्टेटमेंट इज आर बिकॉज ऑफ रो बेस्ड पैटर्न and it is ri is equal to r plus 1 because 1 when it is 1 it is row 1. In row 1 it starts from 2. When it is row 2 it starts from 3. That means row plus 1. Everyone understood why it is r plus 1? Everyone understood why it is r plus 1? Everybody has given this one, r plus 1. Condition. R is less than equals to 5. Yes, right hand side is fixed. And obviously, I think I don't need to ask you regarding this updation because of this less than equals to symbol is there. So I am just giving you the answer. But what to display? Ri is going to be displayed. Very good. How? अरे बेटा ये गलत हो गया. C नहीं होगा. एक मिनट बेटा, एक मिनट. ये C नहीं होगा. We don't have any variable called C. It should be Ri. I did a mistake. It should be Ri. We don't have any variable called C. Yes. Updation is obviously not R plus plus. It is Ri plus plus. Rex. Because less than equals to symbol is given, that means small to big we need to move. Small to big means plus has to be done. Rex, which school year belongs to? Rex, your school name? Now from where I will break this? Sir, he said he was a hill. Before 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, look at over here. If we can see clearly from this that in the next one we have a mechanism of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We cannot understand anything from this. But from the next we can see 5, 4, 3. After that we are getting 1, 2. That means this 1, 2 is related to this one. क्योंकि ये 3 के बाद 1 डायरेक्टली आ रहा है, यहाँ पे 3 के बाद 1 आ रहा है, मतलब this 1, 2 is belongs to this one. So that's why we got the trick 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means I have to break it from this side. So let's start just like we did earlier. Quick list will start from the outer loop. अब ये डिले लेटेंसी कम नहीं हो सकता बेटा, अभी रनिंग मोड में चल रहा है, उसका सेटिंग चेंज नहीं कर सकते, उसका सेटिंग अभी चेंज नहीं हो सकता, कल ही चेंज हो सकता है, आज और नहीं हो सकता है. If it is lagging for everyone, will wind up beta. So it is buffering and I got even more delay. Acha, same here for everybody this is happening. Okay, so we'll wind up over here. Good night. Which question you like today? Which question you like today the most? कौन सा क्वेश्चन आपको सबसे अच्छा लगा? The best question for today from me. Okay, that one. No particular question, sir. Every question is good and unique. It helps to understand. Very good. Thank you. Variable one. Thank you, one and all. Thanks to all.